to the Christmas jewel of Flint, Michigan. This home, nestled in the heart of the historic Mott Park neighborhood, is a dazzling display of over 15,000 Christmas lights. The Willits family has truly made this a must-see destination during the holiday season. And today, we're giving you an exclusive look both outside and inside. From breathtaking lights to magical holiday decor, this home is a celebration of Christmas spirit, tradition, and community. And don't worry, I'll also share the answer to the most asked question: what's the light bill like? Just wait until you see the Santa collections, the decorated bedrooms, and the surprise fourth bedroom upstairs. Hi everyone, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Chris, and I showcase unique, historic, and unforgettable homes. To my returning viewers, welcome back. You're gonna love this one. And to our new viewers, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you love what you see today. Now, let's dive into the magic of 515 Marquette Street. This spectacular display is the work of the Willits family, who have poured their hearts into creating a holiday wonderland year after year. The display kicks off with an annual lighting ceremony that brings neighbors and visitors together to celebrate the season. And yes, I know what you're thinking. What's the light bill like? Thanks to a switch to over 90% LED lights, the monthly cost is only around $340, which is down about 15% from last year, even with the electric price increases. That's pretty impressive for over 15,000 lights. The lights are incredible, but what makes this even more special is the home itself. A charming craftsman bungalow with so much history and character. Let's head inside and see how the Willits family has turned every room into a holiday masterpiece. Once you step inside, you're greeted by the warmth and magic of Christmas. Every room in this home is transformed for the season, starting with this magnificent living room. The spinning Christmas tree takes center stage, adorned with ornaments collected over the years. And just look at the incredible decorations covering the walls and banisters. It's truly a winter wonderland. This spinning tree is one of the highlights of the home. It lets you admire every ornament, each with its own story, and perfectly complements the festive atmosphere. Now let's move into the dining room. You can't miss the incredible holiday decorations that fill this space. From the intricate Christmas decor around the fireplace to the charming original hardwood floors, this room radiates warmth and tradition. And just look at those windows. They're such a stunning feature of this craftsman home. Heading into the kitchen, you'll notice the beautiful updates the Willits family have made here. The holiday decorations continue at all heights, even atop the cabinets. And just look at this cozy little nook. How charming is that? Every detail has been thought of, making the space both functional and festive. Now let's talk about the neighborhood. Mott Park is one of Flint's most historic districts, dating back to the early 1920s. It was originally developed by the Modern Housing Corporation, a subsidiary of General Motors, to provide high-quality, affordable housing for Flint's growing auto workforce. With curving streets, mature trees, and a variety of architectural styles, Mott Park quickly became a sought-after community for middle-class families. Today, Mott Park is known for its friendly atmosphere and community spirit. Residents enjoy amenities like the Mott Park Recreation Area, which features tennis courts, a playground, and picnic grounds. And with nearby landmarks like Kettering University and McLaren Regional Medical Center, this neighborhood is a convenient and welcoming place to call home. What makes Mott Park even more special is the sense of community. Neighbors come together to organize events, maintain the park, and support each other. It's truly a place where people care about their homes and their neighborhood. Now, let's go check out the bedrooms. Across from the stairwell, you'll notice these original built-ins, perfect for extra storage and adding to the home's character. To the right, we have bedroom number 1, completely decked out in Santa decor. The holiday spirit continues in bedroom number 2, featuring an even wilder Santa collection. And just look at this first floor bathroom. It's covered in even more Santa decorations. The Willits family doesn't miss a single detail. Heading upstairs, we find even more Christmas magic. To the left, we have bedroom number 3, which is also fully decorated for the holidays. But wait, what's that? A surprise fourth bedroom? That's right, this home has even more space than we initially thought. Perfect for guests or a cozy retreat. And here's the second bathroom, just as festive as the rest of the home. Every detail ties into the holiday theme, making it impossible not to feel the Christmas spirit. Now, let's head down to the basement Here you'll find bins of unused decorations and lights, proof that the Willits family has enough Christmas spirit to share. In fact, they've taken their love for the holidays a step further by donating artificial Christmas trees to families in need, ensuring that everyone has a chance to celebrate the season. So there you have it, 515 Marquette Street, a home that truly embodies the magic of the holiday season. From the stunning light display outside to the festive decorations in every room and the charm of the Mott Park neighborhood. This isn't just a house, it's a celebration of Christmas, history, and community. A huge thank you to the Willits family for welcoming us into their home and sharing their incredible holiday tradition. And thank you for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories about unique and historic homes. From all of us here, we wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a wonderful New Year. See you guys next time. Bye!